This is Kimberly with Crawford Rustic Creations. Today's video is going to be a collaboration with a whole lot of other YouTube creators, and it's called Road Trip Thrift Flip. So we're going to be taking items from Goodwill or other thrift stores, yard sales, restore, or just something in your own stash, and we're just trying to keep it from the landfill by making it different, make it more updated, something fun. So I hope that you will like, comment, and share and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, project number one. Now
I
I got
scored
this
this cute little
table
table
at the
and table for
Restore for
$6
only
at the
six
Restore.
dollars.
It's in really good
So
shape.
it's
So
in
all I'm
really great
doing
shape.
is
It
I'm
was
just using
looked
some
clean,
Dawn
but I
Power
took the
Wash,
Dawn Power Wash and
and
I
I'm
gave it a
just
good old
washing
scrub,
it up really quick
and
before
that
we
just
take it
ensures that it
outside
really
and
is
get
clean.
painted.
Now I'm taking the table outside and I'm going to spray paint it. After it's spray painted, I painted the top white so that the decoupage paper will really stand out.
White top.
Voila!
Okay.
Well, I was a super
There's not
bright
supposed to be any
child.
wind
There
right now.
wasn't a.
It
It
doesn't
was
feel
a
like there's
nice day.
wind
It wasn't
outside,
too
huh?
hot, but it was nice. So I thought, let me try to decoupage outside.
Let's
But
try
yeah,
this side.
I
Yeah,
didn't really
we'll
feel
just
any
tap
wind,
it out.
but apparently there was. So
We'll learn how to edit
back into the house we go, and I'm upstairs in my kitchen now.
so that
So
I'm using,
this
do you see
paper,
that?
I'm using DIY
Liquid
liquid
patina.
patina. I'm showing you that real quick. This decoupage paper came from Whimsykel Designs, and I will have her Etsy store
I'll talk about how I'm
tagged down below
pulling
into
it
the
back
comment
through the
section.
starter strip.
She has some seriously
First we're gonna
fun
have to
designs. She is a
don't
little
spray that much.
pricier, but
Mist.
it's a doodle
Let's
bug,
not mix it in
and
mist.
I
We'll
have a
have some
13-year-old cockapoo at home,
spray thing.
and we have a 15-month-old mini golden doodle. So I have girls, and this paper kind of looks like a boy, but I'm gonna say it's not. It's just a really cool looking girl wearing
Enough to
sunglasses.
make the paper
But
pop.
anyways, you can see I started my starter strip here with the liquid
Because if you
patina,
paint, if
and
it's
then I
dark
spritzed my
blue,
paper
you can do
to
it.
get
It'll
it a
just take
little
on a
wet.
darker color. It'll just take on a
And
darker
what's
blue,
really great is when
which
you
is fine too
spritz
for
it,
some things.
it kind of gives it a little bit more of a stretch for when you lay it down, and you can help control your wrinkles. Honestly, I usually spritz a little bit more, but I was like kind of a little bit careful because sometimes I can get a little out of hand with my spraying water. But I like how it also gives you a little extra time. So see how I'm lifting it, and that way I'm kind of just feeling it out and just really making sure I don't have a lot of wrinkles. And here I did put a layer of liquid tahina on top.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, here now I'm going to start
So then
sanding it off.
using my zip
And now we're
sander
going to go down. Oh,
and
there's
talk
Susie
about how
Q.
Susie Q is coming
Like
to help me.
15 months
And be
old.
like, that's okay if that gets a little messed up because I'm gonna put a little paint on that to do some blending
Down, down.
to hide the white.
My husband was trying to tell her to move away.
Go
but
down, down,
I'm
down.
like,
Make sure to talk
"Give me
about
my
how
little crafting
don't
buddy."
go sideways, go
So
up
do not
and
go
down.
sideways. That's what I was trying to say in there. Just keep going down and down.
Ta-da, like that, and just keep going just a little bit more. Nope. And then we're going to talk about how Susie Q does not get the scraps. Okay. We're going to be like, I am not going to share with Susie Q
I
the
didn't want
scraps.
her to have a snack.
Okay, then we just grab that. And just keep going all around it, and then talk about how, see, now it's coming now. See how
Hot,
smooth
sweaty mess.
that is really coming off. Talk a little bit more. I just want to make sure I have enough footage that, because I can always delete the extra footage. Oh, I hope that you're not getting my hair in there, but if you are, it's okay. Because I look a hot mess with this in there.
Okay.
Actually, pretty zoomed in.
Huh?
I'm fairly zoomed in, actually.
And the
Are you
white
getting
that
this
you
part
see
though?
up there, that's just
Okay.
speckles
In
from
the
the
frame.
little scraps that I have to take.
Hi, Susie.
She's like, but I want this extra papers. And then I just, as soon as I get to this corner and finish this, then that's when I stop filming
Are you sufficiently aware of what's happening here?
and talk about how that's okay, because I
See
will
enough
be
of this? Okay.
taking care of
Do it
that.
again.
I'm going to do this now.
And talk
I just
about
want to
how
see.
that's
This
okay,
is such a
because I will be
satisfying part, though.
painting over
This
that
is
to
like
get that
imagine that
done, and then
Yes, you know, I'm pointing
voila,
out the
and then
white,
go ahead and
the
shut it
white
off.
from the
Oh my
decoupage
gosh,
paper
this is
was finished.
so
I just ended up
beautiful.
using some more of the paint to
Oh,
blend
I love
the
this
edges
so
so that you couldn't
much.
see the white anymore. And voila, I will show you more in the reveal of it. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Okay, like I mentioned earlier, I'm part of the Thrift Flip Road Trip Open Challenge, hosted by Sammy from Unicorn Dust Designs and the Crafting Cousins. And our guest host for this one is CJ DIY. Love her. There will be giveaways for this. So, down in my Dropbox menu, there will be a link called Playlist. If you click that and you go and you like and comment every single video, you get a chance to win one of those three prizes. I will be posting the rules, but one of them is you do have to be a US citizen and you do have to like and comment on each video. Also must be able to edit your original comment to show that you are the valid one. And the now this next project, I got this cutting board at Hobby Lobby. Geez, it must have been last spring on their clearance, or it might have been this year. I no, it was definitely earlier this year because as soon as I saw that, I thought, oh my gosh, now this heat is killing my brain. I must have had the cutting board. It says menu on it. I must have had it for a while. But when I saw this mouse in the spring section, it's a pop percher. But I'm like, nope. So here I'm sanding off this sticker residue. Just going to town. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it was really cheap. I'm using a little shop towel to wipe off the dust. Okay, see, it says menu. I'm debating, should I put something on there? Like, I did not want to just repaint the whole thing. I kind of wanted to keep it menu, but I kind of wanted to put shopping list. And then part of me was like, oh, maybe I could put a board or a little piece of wood or whatever on top of menu and put, and print out shopping list. That way I just don't have to do the whole painting. But look, see, this is my little debate on how can I attach this little guy, and I'm trying to use the little tie that was
No.
attaching him.
So I don't
to
think I
the
want a wire
Hobby
feeding
Lobby
through.
package,
I'm
but
wondering if
like,
my
oh no, he looks like
E6000,
he's being
if I can just
strangled. I can't do it.
have fun, baby.
So instead of strangling him, I'm going to use some E6000. Now this is really precarious because only a little tiny bit on his bum and a little bit on one of his ears. So I wasn't quite sure how that was going to work out. But I'm just putting it there, and then at this moment, I was like, fingers and toes are crossed. Because I'm like, this has to work, because I've wanted something like this for so long. And then part of me is like, should I sell it? Should I keep it? Should I sell it? Should I keep it? I don't know. Haven't made up my mind yet. But it is so stinking cute already. I love it so much. And now the great debate is, how long should I hold this with E6000? Yeah, do you see? I'm like trying to show you. I don't know if you can tell. I'm trying to show you that I'm trying to attach just that little tiny bit on his bum. And that little tiny bit right up there by his ear is just very precarious. Like, I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to show it here right now or not, but I did decide to grab some clamps. Or a clamp, there you go. That's the big one from Dollar Tree, and I'm like, you know what? That's where it needs it the most, is the ear. And it's just trying to slide on me, but I'm like, come on. I felt like if the ear was... So anyways, why his bum and his ear are gluing down, and I am really hoping it'll work. I went to my Cricut design space, and, well, I didn't need design space. I just went to my Cricut, and I typed in the word cheese, because I need to have the cheese next to the mouse. So do you see what I mean? Let me know in the comment. Should I put like a thin, long Dollar Tree wood plank, paint that, and then put grocery list on it and glue it on top of where the menu is? and have it as a grocery list, sell it like a grocery list, or keep it, or just keep the menu. I don't know. I kind of regret not painting the whole thing, but it's done and over with. I kept wavering, and I'm like, no, I don't want to. I just want to make this a real easy thrift flip, just to show anybody that, you can just find something and attach it onto there. So this is really a long thing, isn't it? So see, oh, I took it off and he's not going anywhere. Actually, I've had him hanging up now for, since Sunday night. So, and tonight is Friday night. So he has not gone anywhere. It's amazing. I love E6000. So I'm deciding here where to put my cheese. See, because either on the menu, it should be cheese should be written down, or on a grocery list, cheese should be written down. It's crazy how long I've wanted to do this, even before I got this cutting board. I would always look around at Hobby Lobby or Dollar Tree, and I'd always try to find the cutest little mouse. I don't remember where I saw it. I saw it on Pinterest or in a store. I don't know what it was attached to, but there was a mouse and it had the word cheese next to it, and so it's been something I've wanted to make for so long. And then of course, after I decided to do this, I went back to, I settled on doing this. I went back to Hobby Lobby to get another mouse, and they were sold out. So now my next thing, I did get this at Goodwill, and bonus on that being a project piece, but do you see the little squiggles? It was like pencil. It was like somebody had fun playing. But does that look like it's a Michaels piece? I'm not quite sure. I've never bought their project wood pieces like that before. Anyways, it's like $2.99 I think, or $2.95 or something at Goodwill. I can't remember now how much it was. But I'm going to tell you, when you go to take this off, they have serious packaging skills. It wasn't like tape, but it was like tape. Does that make sense? I know. I don't know how to explain it. It wasn't sticky or anything. It was just like there. It was just there. So, yeah, I'm going to have to take care of somebody's little pencil artwork and just take my finger sander and get to scrubbing. And voila, it's done. Now look at this back. What is that? How do you get that sucker off? I was going to ask my husband to help me, and I thought, no, this is for us, 100%, so I'm just going to leave it there. Okay, so then I went into Cricut, and I put in pet stop, because I want to put it by their watering dish. And my husband was like, the old watering hole, and I thought that was super cute. However, I ended up just putting the watering hole, but I probably should have been the old watering hole. So I am battling. This is the only part you're going to see of me weeding. This vinyl is new to me. I don't know what I did. This is not the vinyl I've ordered before. No clue what I did, but I do not like this vinyl. It battled me so hard. Oh, there's only one other one that's battled me that bad, and nope, and nope. So here I am getting ready to burnish it down. I think this will look cute by their watering dish. There's a fountain. Okay. And the battle continues. Okay, no, yeah. I'm going so slow. Because wiggle. I was so scared. I mean, that's how tough that vinyl was. Oh. Okay, what am I doing now? There we go. Get the sign out and then do my handy dandy measuring, with my eyeballs. This is such an easy. See, another easy flip. Okay, so to be fair, it's a cheater flip because it was already a blank board from Goodwill, but those are always bonuses. I wouldn't have bought it at $2.99
then I'm gonna have
Michael.
so much to edit because I've been just
You
letting
have
things
to
roll.
look for the goodies. I'm just thinking
Letting
somebody
it
brought it for
go.
a project and somebody's kid decided it was just pencil.
Get
It was
two videos
pencil.
out
It
because
was
I
easy
pray
to
I
get
can
off.
edit it
So I just
and
think
get 'em out.
it probably lived in their craft stash and they're just
pain
like,
in the
man,
butts to
let's
make.
go ahead and donate that sucker and get it out of here. Which, who has not done that? I have. And then after you donate it, you stop and think, oh, like months later, you're like, oh man, totally could have done
Yes, I
something
hear
with that.
you
Or if
downstairs.
you
I'll be
throw
there in a
something away,
moment.
and then you're like,
Oh,
we can't
the
keep
wash
all
machine
of
is singing to me.
So, do you see how long it's taking me to do this? Sorry that you're watching it all.
This would have had little designs, but
like I
those
said,
little designs and I had a
This
fight
was a
and
win
a
and
war,
a
so
prayer design.
little squiggly marks. I could make more, but I don't want to. And it was my fault for thinking I could do those. I mean, I can, but I'm just fighting. I just feel like that vinyl,
I am
when it
a
arrived, I'm like,
child,
okay, I've
just
used that vinyl before, but that's not the
everybody
vinyl I
understands.
like.
I work with high
I
school
need to buy a better,
during school year.
so I'm glad I got a small one. But I need to go back to getting those my big chunky vinyls. I'll do that for Christmas.
Voila. I love this. I think
I
it
like
turned out
this.
so
I
great.
like this a
Yeah,
lot.
let me put the backing
What do you think?
very carefully. You have to try to keep using
Plain,
your
simple, easy peasy.
transfer tape as much as you can. Voila.
And it's
And
done.
here
Isn't
is
it
the
adorable?
finished piece. Isn't it so
Olivia.
adorable? Oh, there's my 13-year-old
13-year-old
cockapoo, Miss Olivia. Anyways, don't forget to hit the like button and comment
Me and my husband.
and subscribe, please, and thank you. I really appreciate it. See, look at, yeah, my mom bought me that apron. Do you see what's on that apron? My mom, goofy girl, she got that for me at Christmas. But see how cute he is just sitting there. Menu, grocery list. Leave me a comment. What do you think?
Okay, so I'm gonna have
And
my
here's the
husband
final
put that
of
there.
this one. I don't have it
That's
hung,
their watering
obviously,
dish.
yet. I'll ask my husband to put it up there for me.
Maybe a little lower. I don't know.
But I used to have the cutest
Isn't that
little
super cute?
mat that went under
Love it.
the water fountain, but well, the puppy decided to eat it. So now I just use a little towel, but I think that's so stinking cute. I love it. And the table, oh,
And
I'm
there's
going to put it up for sale, but if
that's
it
my
does not
13-year-old
sell,
cockapoo.
bummer.
And she's
I'll
like,
have to keep
"Mom,
it. And
there are
look,
treats
there's
up
my
there."
13-year-old cockapoo, Miss
me and my
Olivia, my
husband.
daughter's cockapoo. Anyways, and that's, she's like, why are there treats, Mom?
Cute.
And then there's a picture of me and my husband.
Mom, what is this?
Just thought I'd add it in
Olivia.
there. Thank you again so much for watching the video.